It's gang. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go, let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go, let's go. Whoa, whoa. Poor foe got me feeling fantastic. Might flip my other wrist with a pad. Same nigga high lows in the ad. Ask the hood, they'll tell you I ain't cap. Real life nigga, I ain't just rap. Pretty gang nigga, fuck what happened. Nah, for real. Hop on the beat and I walk. Ask about me, they gon' tell you that boy going off. I put the cash in the vault. Design a favorite, my genius, you know this shit cost. BVST when I floss. I take the pack across the world, but I still get it off. Hit the gas, hear the exhaust. I took some ills, but I came back on top as a boss. Whoa, whoa. Young nigga get paid, I feel like I'm dog. 20 flows up with your bitch in the law. Let a little boy when you finna cross. These niggas copy, they look still in sauce. Proud to see niggas do shit I was taught. Talk down on my name, they stay dropping salt. Go get to the back, keep my name out your mouth. Young nigga came up on straight from the south. Kitchen my side, I ain't shooting no house. Diamonds on me, water wet like a fountain. I just might go meet the plug in the mountain. Two bitches with me, I call it a sandwich. Fuckin' for hours, I guess that I'm man.
What's going on, guys? So today, taking advantage of this first nice Sunday after the summer. It's still pretty hot. I think it's like 90s, but I think it should be like in the 70s tonight. So there is a track day today, Sunday HMP. So we're taking GRIMACE. We just finished this truck again. I did get a new motor. I got a bunch of other little upgrades, so we're gonna go test it. Hopefully it's all good. And we are getting, which is not the same surface, but it's pretty much getting ready for the Cleetus all-wheel drive shootout, which is the first week of October. So other than that's pretty much it. We did add a, as you can tell, little nitrous kit, a little meth kit as well. Not that it has IT issues, but it helps. Don't mind the sound. Where you going, dude? It's fat. Occasionally we get messages on like, hey, what should I do for a suspension setup, this and that, for F-150s. So I'll go over with you guys how at least I set the cow tracks on these trucks, at least this type of truck. So right now we have the pretty much full weight besides the driver. I already have the anti-roll bar set up. I do have more load on the passenger side of the link on the roll bar. Other than that, since the truck hasn't ran in a while, the bars might have moved going up on the lift, I don't know. I have them both loose. So I'm gonna go down here and show you real quick. We have play on the top little, I guess, bushing that they have now, little rubber bushing. Then I'll just kind of go down to where it's at 0, pretty much where it doesn't move anymore. So I'll set it. Yeah, I set it about here. What I like to do is draw a line pretty much right at 0 facing me. It already has a yellow one, so we know it didn't land where it used to. So on the driver's side, to start off, I like to give it a full turn of preload. So we have the red line. Now we're back at the red line, so we have one full turn of preload. Then we put the little jam nuts. That's pretty much it. On that side, usually I give them about a quarter turn on the passenger side more, because the truck, since it does have the anti-roll bar and I already added a preload on the anti-roll bar, the truck does run pretty straight, just having them both add a turn. Just like I said, it is not my work for your application, but it's a good little tip, I guess, on how to set 0 where it's at. So pretty much every time you see the line, it's a turn, obviously. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. So for now, to go to the track for the first time out again, I'm gonna do a full turn of preload on the cow tracks. And like I said, I already have a preload on the anti-roll bar. So for us in this truck, usually that works, and the truck does go 60 foot pretty good, and it goes very straight. So.
That guy.
Told Cool hit the gag and me out of there. Bitch, you love me, they see me, they stop and stare. You be talking about rap, but you never there. If it's small, let me know, put it in the air.
HMP, and about to make a hit on this truck that's been sitting for what, 6 months at least? 5 months? That's why we haven't been racing, not because we don't want to. We haven't been ready.
It's too hot, man.
Yeah, now it's nicer weather. Feels good. Feels good in the shade. Good thing now that everything kind of, the plan is lined up to where we have the trailer covering the truck shades, and we're gonna wipe the truck down. We took it to the car wash, but it looks the same now that it's driving it.
It needs turtle wax.
Yeah, it needs a good wax. But that's pretty much it. We already did a little hit in the parking lot, so it's about ready to see some booze. So the first, I don't want to do too many passes. First pass is gonna be a good amount of a good quick pass. If that works, I'm gonna go faster, and if that works, we're gonna use nitrous now. So and that's pretty much it. I'll wipe the truck down real quick.
Llegó la torta pounder.
Hombre, torta pounder.
La torta pounder.
Por eso le puse así a la torta.
For the second pass.
Nah, I don't even know. I'm gonna have to turn it down. Probably turn the two-step down. It's 60 footed, alright. I've done better 60s before, but a lot smoother.
Yeah.
Now I feel up the truck. Was the track sticky or no?
Well, everyone was on it.
Edwin, hey, was it sticky or no?
Yeah.
Like really sticky?
I mean, it wasn't really
Like
sticky,
the
it's
tires are
sticky.
new. But I did a good burnout, no?
Yeah, the burnout was
the fucking
excellent.
dude
I
was
couldn't
like,
see nothing.
The dude was like, I can't see shit. The guy looking at the floor, make sure there's nothing falling.
You said I spilled transfer?
They said that? No.
That's what they told me the other day.
Probably from the damn catch can.
It's probably already there.
That's normal for you right there, right?
All the trucks do that. Turned it down and turned it up. Turn it down the bottom,
Turned it down in the right places and turned it up in the right places.
Exactly. We'll see.
So you're just looking for a smoother, faster pass.
If it goes smooth, I'll leave the same, and then I'll turn on the bottom, see what it does. Yeah, I think that's what happened, Wayne. It stayed in second.
But what?
I got it where it lit off, and I just gotta put it.
Look right here.
What? What do you put?
Pinche grillo, la verga. Ya brincó para abajo. Un hopper graph.
This nigga got a whole fucking suit on with the lap belt.
Make it right.
Record that. Here, let me tuck him in.
It's a hopper graph.
operator right there. What you think, bro?
Everything good, man.
That's what I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. How you feel?
That was a lot faster. It's 60 footed a lot slower, but it went a lot faster.
It looked a lot smoother off the hole.
It's smooth, dude. It was just, I feel like, man, this thing was slow. It went like 7 miles an hour faster.
So now just give it a little bit more.
A little bit more boost. A little bit more in the bottom. Maybe a pound more, and then turn it up like 3-4 pounds up top. Go another. And we went more than a tenth faster, so I'm gonna try to go a tenth faster. We'll see. Yeah. She did good though.
What happened? Ow!
And I grabbed the nitrous.
Oh, you shifted it too?
It's got shifted because it was getting stuck. Either I hit the nitrous or something. I didn't put the case on it. But it has the trans.
Pull it.
Los planetarios.
It needs a 5-gear planetary.
5-gear planetary.
Los
Hey,
planetarios.
llámalo al Triple P. He has those in stock. Hey, nigga, you going the
Well,
that was a fucking world record.
It took out good though, right? That's why I grabbed nitrous right after a second. Yeah, I broke the trans somewhere.
get your turbo kits.
All right, come on.
Get your turbo kit.
That go-kart, man. Why you not riding? Why you not riding that go-kart, man?
Man, that nigga drive like a fool, man.
Fuck is that no fool? You fool.
Hey, back up.
Hurry up! We're stacking up over here. Look at that little line that's on the lower control arm.
Yeah, it doesn't grab it.
Man, go help him out, man.
This nigga cut the whole front end of that truck. There ain't nothing left.
That means go slow.
Get the truck, bro. Park.
Y'all left me behind, man. So what happened?
So we broke the 400 in second gear. I shifted into second. I grabbed the nitrous. Power came in. And I guess it was too much for the trans. And plus that, we did add 5 pounds on top. So it was making.
It was on a mission.
It was making a good amount of power. So the trans was working good. It was shifting. It broke a hard part though. A sprag or planetary. God knows. We'll be alright. We'll get it fixed. If you want to go this fast though, I'm hitting the brakes. God.
Okay.
You want to go this fast though? Hit us up. We do have the daylight performance turbo kit, which
Oh shit! You just crashed!
Oh shit!
Yo!
I've seen that. Oh, that's my new homework.
So, if you want to go this fast,
If you want to go this fast though, hit us up. We do have, you can pre-order the turbo or daylight performance turbo kit, which is Midnights, Manos, and our kits. For F-150s, 18 to 24, same hot side, everything's the same turbo kit basically as GRIMACE. It's basically a 4-second turbo kit, except this one has a custom radiator.
custom cold side.
Intercooler because of the radiator setup and all that. So it's basically the same hot side, same headers. So it's proven you can make. Man, this is about to run me on. God. You can make up to 2,000 horsepower, I'd say. So hit us up, give us a call, and here goes Mondo. What? I'm about to borrow his 10-speed, bro. Alright, so looking further into the truck, it seems like it's the transfer case that broke. Hopefully it is, because we have a spare one, a new one at the shop. So, that being said, go back to the shop, replace it. If not, we'll open up the trans. Worst case, it's something, a hard part in the transmission. That's why we went 400s, to not break them, but then they give us the room to throw more power. Now where we're at, throwing more power down, we have this issue, but it'll be alright. I mean, the transmission and the transfer case on this truck has never been serviced. It has always been running good. Other than that, hopefully next time we come out, we'll have GRIMACE and King Ranch. Other than that, that's pretty much it. And again, if you guys are interested in turbo kits for F-150s, hit us up at 832-322-4747. We are working on the it's called Daylight Performance, where we're working between us and Midnight Performance. We're working on the website, a new line, everything, so we're getting that running. But in the meanwhile, we're taking orders from our phone at the shop. So if you're interested in the kit, hit us up or check us out on Instagram. We have the details on what comes in the kit, what prices, what options. So soon we'll have the kits, and then we're working on the Mustang kits, and then we're working on a bunch of other products to offer for you guys. That's pretty much it. So hopefully next video we're back out with these trucks, either at the track or in the street. And I guess we break stuff to find weak points to then upgrade. So that'll be alright. Now we have a better motor. So we hit boost that this truck has never seen, plus nitrous. So it probably saw a couple hundred more horsepower than it did before ever seen. So I'm sure it was like, what the hell's going on? Now that we have the two meth kits, nitrous, all kinds of shit. I don't know. Too much going on, but it's working, so that's good. That's pretty much it. So I'm already put up, gonna head home and back to a good work day this coming week and finish other projects and get the truck ready for Cleetus all-wheel drive shootout.
This gang. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Pull it.
Los planetarios.
it needs a 5-gear planetary.
5-year plan.
Go, whoa, whoa. 4-4 got me feeling fantastic. Might fill my other wrist with a pad. Same nigga high lows in the ad. Ask the hood, they'll tell you I ain't cash. Real life nigga, I ain't just rap. Pretty gang nigga, fuck